This is a regular burger, double cheese, double meat, but I am going to introduce to you the healthiest burger ever, which is African burger. This burger is good for weight loss, is good if you're trying to eat healthy. Let's see how we prepare this burger. Hi there! Welcome to my channel. My name is Imfon, and today's video is very personal because it's something different. It's something new. It is African burger. So I have prepared my veggies, the fillers, and I have with me my bun. So I'm making something similar to double cheese, double meat. So stay tuned because you're gonna love this substitute and I am sure you're gonna make it. So this is the bun that we are gonna use. We are gonna use something in place of meat, which is moi moi. I'm sure you must be asking, what is moi moi? So moi moi is made with beans, black eyed peas. So this is how I made it. I will first of all blend the beans with bell peppers and other ingredients in it. After mixing up everything, I will put it into a plate, small plate, like this one. Then after that, I will cook it. So I'll put it on my stove and cook it. And when it is cooked, this is how it looks like. This is how it looks like. So this is gonna serve as our meat. So first of all, I will take this out of the bowl. This is how it looks like. Then cut this in two. This is gonna be my double meat. And this is gonna be my cheese. So if this is not the healthiest burger, I don't know what this is. So if you want to know how to make this moi moi from scratch, just let me know. I will do a detailed tutorial on it. So I first start spraying my cheese, well, my avocado. One avocado is fine. On it like this. I forgot something, which is ketchup. So let me grab my ketchup real quick. So this is my ketchup. So I'll put my meat. This is my meat. Put my lettuce or any veggies of your choice. I might choose to make this a little bit smaller. Put onions. Put your tomatoes or tomatoes, whatever you call it. And then put your ketchup or any, is it toppings or dressing? I guess it's dressing of your choice. And then put this one on top. That's the double meat. Yes. And then your bread. Boom. Boom. There you have it. African double cheese burger. But that cheese is made with, our cheese is avocado and our meat is moi moi beans cake, or I think beans cake. Yes. So isn't that gorgeous? This is gorgeous. And you know what? It is so healthy. You don't spend too much avocado, you know. I mean, one avocado is enough for you. You can even make 2 out of it if you want to, you know, manage it. And you know what? And we Africans, we eat a lot of spicy food. So if you want to take it to the next level, or if you want to fix it to your own taste, you can sprinkle a little pepper. This is cayenne pepper. You can sprinkle a little pepper because somebody like my husband doesn't like to eat without, you know, lots of pepper. So you can sprinkle a little pepper on it for people who love to eat pepper. So, and enjoy your food, enjoy your burger. So there you have it, African burger. So I went ahead and added some fries to it to make it look like, you know, McDonald's at home. Got it? Yes, you can make your own McDonald's at home. So look at it. Isn't it gorgeous? Look at that. So let's do justice to this food. I can't wait. Thanks for watching. Like the video, subscribe to my channel. Let me know what you think about this wonderful African burger, and take care. So good.